Hey guys, my name is Nasser. Today I'm going to show you the least amount of time, like material you need to learn to effectively use Git. So this is what like 90% of or 80% of the time you will be doing. So I have this project here. I'm just gonna clone it to minimize the window, open my terminal. Okay, we're going to go to school. And then if I say I don't have anything in here, so this is where I will clone my project. So you will only need to clone your project at once. If you already have, then you don't need to clone. But something that you will definitely do is you will say git pull. Don't forget that. So whenever you open your project right here, you say git pull because you want to get the latest changes. I'm actually not in the folder, so it's the chef. So let's just say, let's go to chef and open it in VS Code. Now command tilt gives you this little helpful built-in terminal. So if I say I say git pull, it's already up to date because I just cloned it. For you, it might not be up to date, and it will make it up to date when you say git pull. So here, one of the most important commands you will use Git is git status. So git status shows you where you are. You want to be here, when you need to be. So right now I have nothing. We're good to go. So whenever you're working on something, you will need to create a branch. You don't have to, but a lot of times that's what you will need to do. So let's create a branch. So actually, if you say git branch, it shows you your branch. So I only have one called main branch. So if I say, so I will create a new one. This is how you create. So git checkout -b and then the branch name. So let's say new branch. Now it's switching to new branch. So I'm actually on a new branch. So if I say git branch again, now I have the main and new branch, and I am on the new branch. That's why it's green and it has that star. So let's create. Right now we just created the branch, but we need to publish the branch online. So if I actually go here and I check my branch, I only have the main. I don't have any other branch. So to fix that, I will say git. The command is a little complicated, but you can just say git pull. No, actually, it's more like git push. So let's do that. Git push. Now it gives me the correct command. So I will just type this, copy here, and there we go. Now if I go to the server and I check commands, yes, we have a new branch. That's very good. So let's do some changes. Clear terminal. So I'm actually gonna go to like this folder, and I'm going to delete some comments. So just delete. Don't want any screen now, so let's delete nicely, and then let's add just the empty space there. Save your file, and as soon as you save your file, you will see here Git is saying you changed this here. This is don't freak out. So here basically it says you deleted all of this from here. So red means deleted, green means added. Here means you added one line. So we're like, yeah, we agree this, we like this. So you can just say that one, but I mostly use terminal. So you're saying, if you say git status, this is what you got. It's modified one file, but it's not, you haven't added the file to trackable. It's not tracking right now. So you say git add, and then you just use that because that is add all of them. You don't have to specify any files. So you say git all. Now it added all. So see, when it did added, it knows now it's not screaming at you. It's saying, okay, I'm tracking those, but it's still you're not properly tracking it. So that's, if you say git status, let's do that again. Now it says modified, and now it's green, which is good, but it's in any stage. So it needs us, it actually wants us to commit the change we just did. So you say git commit. You always leave a message. So that's is the message. Why are you committing this code? It makes it easier for you and your friends when you're going back to the code and seeing why did you actually do it and what did you do when you did this change. So here I say deleted some comments. That's very understandable message. Now it says one file changed. Great. So if you actually say git status, let's say git status here. Now it says one branch. Okay, your branch is ahead of the git. Okay, use git push. So it wants me to change. So if I actually go here and I go to the new branch, I say compare the two files, I don't have anything here. There's no difference between the main file and the new branch, the main branch and the new branch. But I did that. I commit the change to my local computer, but not online. And you should commit online because that's where your friend have access to. So let's use git push. And now we push those changes, see, online. So if I actually go here and I go to chef, now it's saying okay, it wants me to build, but I will show you that later. So right now, if I go to library here, go to main folder, we have the comments, they're not deleted. But if I go to this new branch we just created, go here, now they're deleted. See the line we just added. So if you actually go to let's go to chef and let's just say go to new branch, and I actually want to say compare. I want to compare the two files. Now this is, you know what that red means, right? We're deleted, green added. So it's showing me the change we just did. But we're not done yet. So that's how you do change. Basically, when you should get into the habit of doing a lot of commits when you do whenever you make your app work. Like every few minutes you should be committing your code. And then after you're done with all the code you wanted to do, git branch, that's important, don't forget git branch. So we're good. Now we're done, right? So now we have a lot of commits, we have our branch. So what do we do? So if you go here, now this is where I was talking about. So it's saying, do you want to merge this branch? It's called build request. It says compare and build request. So it's asking you, hey, do you want to merge your new branch code to the main branch? So I will go here, I'll say compare and build request. So it wants me to tell. So basically I would say here is that change hinging. Okay. Macy is not working. Okay, change I did. Good. Now you can say create request. You can assign to someone to review your code. So here, these two are some of my friends. So you can click any of them. He will get an email saying, hey, you need to review this. But I don't want him to review me right now. It would be weird. Okay, and then you say get pull request. And it's checking. Now I can merge. I can merge my changes I did to the main branch. You shouldn't do this unless you're sure it's correct, and usually the person who's reviewing it will do. So you just leave it here and that person will check your code and will merge it. But right now let's just merge it for the sake of it. I say merge, confirm merge. Okay, now it says build request successfully merged. Now the new branch we created and all the branch are mixed. So now all of our code is on the main branch. We can just delete this branch. We don't need it anymore. You can restart if you want, but so right now, go to chef. If I check branch, I only have the main one. And if I go, not that, but if I go to library, I go main tar, the files are deleted. So all the changes we did are right now in the main branch. And now, again, let's see. So let's just quit this, and here you will probably say get status. So if I say get status right now, it's gonna scream at me because that's not the folder. Okay, now let's say get status. So right now I'm the original, but if another user, I just did some commit. So if someone else right now they're missing some code, so they will need to say get bull. So every time you're see when I said get bull, it gave me the latest change. It told me that I've deleted. So actually let's see. I want to do this. I don't know this. I want to see if I still have that branch that we deleted. Yeah, still it's smelling me bad. And then you go to say get checkout and then main. So checkout helps you go to that one. So now we're on main. So let's say get branch. We're on main. Actually, let's say clear. Okay. Get branch. We're on main. So you say get. So if I say actually get a status right now, you will see. So we're good. So your branch is behind. Okay, so remember our main, we haven't said bool in our main branch, so our main is actually behind the other main online. It's behind the origin, which is on Github. So we actually need to use get bool. It's telling you, so you say get bool. This will give me the latest change of main, and basically the main tar changed. There is one insertion because we inserted one empty line, and 8 deletions because we deleted 8 comments. And now the branch is deleted online, but we still have here, so you can just delete it from here. Oh, let's see. Google is like awesome. So you get delete branch, and yeah, that's basically git branch delete. So just save it here, and then you pass the branch name, which is branch. Okay, let's say git branch. Great. Now we did the change, so everything is clean. That is how it should be done. So now we just exit, and have a great day, guys. I want to show you one more. So I created this little helpful thing. The link is on under this video, so it kind of shows you. So git clone at one time, and then you get bool, then you say get checkout b, and your new branch name, you get bush, and this will give you the result, and then you just tag that result copy and bush. When you did some change, you say git add, and then you commit your change. You go on Github and you say bool branch on Github, and then after that you delete. So it kind of like shows you the workflow. You can download this image, and so you don't forget this comment. That's it.